Croeso nôl I Pencampwriaeth y Gwartheg Godro, a mae yna lot o ddiddordeb yn y Pencampwriaeth yma. Mae'r lle yn orlawn. Pob un yn feirniad answyddogol, felly gai ofyn I chi, syr, pwy sy'n mynd I fynd â hi fan hyn yn eich barn chi?
Lexon I dweud, y Dairy Short, mae'n bach yn bias fyna, ond mae fe split rhwng y Jersey a'r Holstein. Mae'r judge's opinion, a saith wedi siŵr fi hunan pa un fydden ni'n rhoi'n gyntaf.
Maen nhw I gyd yn deilwng o'r wobr gyntaf na, maen nhw werth I gweld.
Maen nhw wir yn.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. A'i nôl nawr at Phil Reid, sydd da fi ar gyfer Pencampwriaeth y Gwartheg Godro yma. A'r beirniad Mark Logan yn mynd I anerch y dorf cyn mynd ati dwi'n siŵr I ddewis Pencampwriaeth y Sioe eleni, felly dawelwn ni am eiliad.
It must have been a wonderful day for the judges yesterday to bring forward such a great team of animals. The Holstein cow is a tremendous example of the breed, second calf cow. She exhibits so much dairiness, she has such quality through her udder and so much ring presence. And our our Ayrshire cow, I do apologise, slip of the tongue totally. An Ayrshire cow, when you stand behind this cow, she has such great width all the way through, such a tremendous rump structure, and that rear udder is something to be very proud of. And then we have a Jersey that has had 7 calves, a tremendous dairy cow. She exhibits that dairy quality all the way through. And again, she has that tremendous ring presence as she moves around. A shorthorn cow, I got it right this time. It's had 3 calves. And again, I really admire the dairiness in this young cow and the quality in her udder. And she again is a really good example of that breed. And then we have a 5th calf, brown Swiss. And again, a little bit longer calved, but still a really great example, a tremendous udder and ring presence again. But again, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all these champions. I will say a word or two once I've tapped out the champion in reserve, but just before I do it, thank you so much to the Royal Welsh for the invitation to be here. It's been a privilege and a pleasure to judge these classes that I have done today. Such tremendous quality that's forward this year. I think it has been an exceptional show. Really well done to all the exhibitors. Quite a feat to bring these cows out 2 days in a row looking in top condition, really is. And to the people who own them and look after them all year at home, that's a big part of the job as well. So congratulations to everyone, and I will now tap out champion and reserve.
Ie'r beirniad Mark Logan wedi anerch y dorf. Phil Reid, pwy sy'n mynd I fynd â Pencampwriaeth y Gwartheg Godro eleni? Le mae'n mynd, Phil?
Wel, yn galw ni da'r Jersey, ond mae'r fuwch ddi a gwyn ma. Ond chfod, mae'r Jersey'n 9 oed, 7 o loi. Jersey fi mynd am.
Dwi'n credu bod ti'n iawn, mae'n mynd nôl I gyfeiriad y Jersey, mae'n edrych ar...
Ie, da fi, mae da fi.
A mae'n mynd I fynd amdani!
Yes!
Bol wir! A molygfa, drych ar hwnna, yr emosiwn, a'r angerdd, a'r cariad at yr hen fuwch, a 9 oed, 7 llon ddiweddarach, a mae wedi mynd â Pencampwriaeth, prif Pencampwriaeth y Gwartheg Godro yma yn y sioe fawr. Atgoffa ni, beth sy'n mor special am hon, Phil?
Wel, fel wedo ti, mae 9 oed, I fuwch fod 9 oed, a'r safon na, a'r llath mae'n roed, mae eisiau I fod yn dod ar y top. Mae dyfodol disglair, y fuwch ddi a gwyn, disglair iddi. Ond, dim byd erbyn y Jersey, ond falle na'r flwyddyn bethau bydd I mas.
Yn union. Wel, wedodd I ddoi wrthai bod i'n mynd I gael I ymddeol o'r cylch cystadlu ar ôl y sioe fawr, neu ar ôl y tymor yma, felly welwn ni ddim o'i nôl mae eto'n anffodus.
Dim ni, mynd as pa mae ar y top.
Yn union. Na'r ffordd I wneud I.
O ie, ie.
And it is just...
Deilwm.
All of our sort of...
A'r gil wobr, tybed, le mae'r gil wobr yn mynd?
Ie, Olsten.
Mae wedi gweud, nes I golli hwnna nghanol y cynnwr fi gyd. Ie'r Holstein, o'n I yna me, falle'r Holstein fydden mynd â hi, Ie'r Holstein yn cipio y gil wobr. Felly, llongyfarchiadau mowr iawn i'r teulu Manning. Rhif 82, Windy Ridge Tequila Diamond. Wedi mynd â hi. Phil, diolch yn fawr iawn i ti.
Yn iawn ti fan,
Am dy
diolch i
gwmni.
ti.
Well, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. You were emotional yesterday. What's it like today?
It's just as bad, actually. It's even worse. It's been a very emotional show, so yeah. It's, I can't speak again.
We knew she was special yesterday, and you've proved it again today. Happy retirement, I say to Diamond.
She is going to have every creature comfort now for the rest of her life, and, diamonds are special, aren't they? So...
Llongyfarchiadau once again, and a wonderful Royal Welsh 2023 for you.
It's amazing, once in a lifetime.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Llongyfarchiadau.
Wel, mae'n dechrau rhyw bigo...